This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Visual Studio Code. So a Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, I've been using it for years. It's a great development platform. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for Visual Studio Code. You can find it at code.visualstudio.com/download. Now that URL is a bit of a mouthful, so I will in fact put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and wind up here. Now there's lots of different platforms you can have VS Code on, so you can pick your poison here. There's the Windows versions, as you can see here. There's some Linux versions right here, and if you're on a Mac, you've got some Mac versions. So they've got it for the Intel chips and the Apple Silicon chips. I have a Mac. I use Apple Silicon chip, so I would go for this option here or this one right here. But you'll pick your poison here. Obviously, for Windows, you can choose your version here. Also, for previous versions, if there's any kind of compatibility issues, you can click here and you can find a list of different downloads for previous versions right here. So if you have any kind of compatibility issues, that's an option for you right there. All it's left to do is to pick your download option right here. I'll go for this version, and just like that, automatically it will start downloading. We're redirected here. If it doesn't download, you can click this direct download link right there, and you see in the top right corner the icon went flying up there, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has in fact been downloaded. So depending on your browser setup and where your download location is, you'll find the installer there, and that's the easy, straightforward bit. You just follow the instructions from there, from the installer. Now I'm on Google Chrome as an example on this Mac, and all of my downloads go directly to the main downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, but hopefully you found this video on how to download Visual Studio Code, how to download, find and download VS Code useful. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.